How to change profile picture on Instagram. So if you want to change your profile picture, then first of all open up your Instagram app, and after opening, on the bottom right corner you will have a profile icon. Tap on your profile, and then after opening your profile you can have a edit profile option. Tap on that, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have edit picture or avatar. Tap on that, and then you will have two options: new profile picture and import from Facebook. So if you want to change, then you can tap on any one of them. Then you can simply tap on new profile picture, and after that, from here you can simply choose any one of the pictures that you would like. And after choosing it, on the upper right corner you will have an arrow option. Tap on that arrow, and from here you will have filters that you would like to add, and you can also tap on edit and you can edit this picture. And after doing all of this, on the upper right corner you will have the arrow. Tap on that arrow, and that's it. Now your profile picture has been changed. So that's it guys, that's how you change it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.